Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rose kicking off with a beautiful Monday morning, and I'm coming back to you guys with this side hustle and the side gig that I have been working with for a couple of years now. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys see the proof of my payments and see if you guys like this. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell. And welcome newcomers, welcome to the Diamond Squad. If you like what you see, if you like my content, come back, subscribe, like, and comment and share, and say new subby down below. Now, let's go ahead and show you guys the payment proof of my account. Now, there it is. It says survey. I have mostly done surveys, and I have done a quiz maybe about once or twice, but mostly I've been doing surveys, and my total earnings was $233.69, and this is my total cash outs here. So yes, this is it right here. I have slowed down on this a little bit. I really like doing surveys, you guys, so I'm gonna go right back into it. I love making extra money because you never know, you might need emergency money for gas, or maybe a meal, or an ice cream cone, or something like that. You guys, this is a legitimate website. I have payouts from my PayPal, and it's awesome, okay? And they deposit the money quickly within 24 hours for me. I don't know about other people, but I have gotten my deposit within the 24 hours, maybe less than that. Super great website. Go ahead and get into it, you guys. What they have to go to is fill in your information in the beginning, and it won't let me go back, but yes, let's go to Qmee.com, and it will pull up, and then you see all the information that you need to, well, you have to fill out your information to get started with Qmee. So you can go ahead and complete surveys for money, and sometimes some of the surveys they have extra incentives within the survey. Like some, they might pay you $50, some maybe $75 for product tests, and so forth. So go ahead and get into it, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very short, very brief, but it's straight to the point, and that's the way how I like to do things. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Have a great Monday.